So many years ago, gosh, when I started General Hospital, so was it 97? 96, I think. 96. Some of you probably know. I think it's 96 or 97. It's 27 years, 28 years. And I got the show Soldiers of Fortune at the same time, a Jerry Bruckheimer series. And we were starting the show, and me and all the other actors, we decided to, we were going to get a new car. And we all wanted to, and then, you know, because when you're a celebrity, how many of y'all know when you're, it's always been asked backwards. I was talking to my son's girlfriend's dad yesterday about this at Easter. To me, it's asked backwards, isn't it? I mean, of course, you're not going to say no because it's nice, but isn't it amazing? Like when you become very successful, when you're a celebrity or you're, an entrepreneur or an influencer or whatever, and God is really blessing you, you get all this cool shit for free, right? And the people that really need it, right? It's kind of backwards, right? But it's just kind of how it works. Because of course they want to get you using their product so they can get their name out there and all of that. So it's kind of, but also it's like you worked hard to get to that position. So but whatever, so we started talking about getting a car, and the person who's charged of that said, hey, let me hook you up with this, the celebrity division. And well, I was like, that's cool. So, because when you go to get a car, what's the thing, like, everybody has a car, but what's the worst part about getting a car? Is you're going to be stuck in a freaking dealership all day long. It's like, is it not the worst experience ever? It's like, it almost gives you anxiety and stress. And there's no way around it. You're going to get beat up, and they're going to, like, pass you from this person, that person, right? But this was, like, cool. It's like, all we had to do was pick the car we want, the color, whatever, all the options we want, and they just delivered it to the set. We got the best deal. They just delivered it to the set. And we, got this, the celebrity VIP treatment, right? And so, forever, it's always been like, I've always wanted to have a car solution, because everything I do is solutions. Like, why do you have to be a celebrity to be treated like a celebrity, basically? Like a car solution, because everything I do is solutions. Like, why do you have to be a celebrity to be treated like a celebrity, basically? I always want, you should be able to have a VIP treatment. So I've partnered with a friend of mine that I've met many years ago. It's all about relationships. He used to be one of my clients, and he's now the number one. He's part of a Galpin dealership, but he's the number one salesperson in the country, in the nation. And I partnered up with him, and so now I'm going to have my own business inside of their business. It's called Real Car Solutions. And it's a VIP car. So, like, I can have you in and out in an hour. You don't have to, I take you from start to finish. You can have it delivered to your house. You can come in and get it. I can get cars all over the world, whatever you want. And, let's get you to be treated like a celebrity and not have to get beat up all day and get the best price. And I love cars. And so I'm excited about that.